Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims, the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana, and you guessed it, I am back to teach you another line dance. Four-wall dance is called Remind Me. Easy peasy for those beginners that come into your class. You can easily, instructors, call it right out on the floor to keep your class moving, okay? If you are in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step, this is the instructional. If you're interested in dancing along with the music, I'll post it at the end of this video and we can dance together. Also, please check out the 4-day line dance weekend here in New Orleans, the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. It's not too late to register. It's next year, but registration is open now, and you can book your room right now at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And I want to thank everyone who registered already. Thank you so much. All right, guys, are you ready? Step-by-step instructions. Here we go. Let's go. So this is going to be a four-wall dance that moves counterclockwise. So we're going to stand on this wall here, stand on this side, and look out in this direction. So we're going to start with a shuffle up and a shuffle back. Shuffle up, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, moving back, right, left, left, left. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle right, left, right, back, right, left, left. So easy. If somebody new comes to your class, instructors, you don't have to stop. Just say shuffle up and shuffle back. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle right, left, left, back, right, left. From here, we're going to go rock, step together. Left, right, slide together. So we go right, left, slide, left, right, slide, left. So what we do on the right, we do on the left. Right, slide, left, right, and slide. Okay? From here, my weight is on the left, but my right heel is up. I'm going to do a cross, rock, recover with a triple. Cross, rock, triple step, cross, rock, triple step. So the right and then the left. Right, left, right, left. Okay? Let's go back to the top. So far we're doing only 3 things. What we do on the right, we do on the left. Shuffle up, on the right, on the left, come back on the right and the left. We rock it in place. Right, left, slide right, left, right, slide left, cross mambo, rock, recover, triple step, cross, rock, recover, triple step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shuffle 1 and 2. Up 3 and 4. Back 5, then 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, slide 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you're going to stay in place, and you're going to do rocking chair. Rock up, rock back. Right up, right back. Right, left. Okay, from here, you're going to kick it out. Right, left, step right, and pivot turn. So it's a four-wall dance moving counterclockwise. You kick, step, right into the front, and pivot turn. And that's the dance. So let's put it together. I'm going to put it together, and I'm going to count, and it's going to let me know if I'm missing a step. Okay, because it's a 32 count dance. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and shuffle 1 and 2. Up 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, left 5, 6, 7, 8. Cross 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Rock 1, 2, 3, 4, kick, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's 4 8 counts. So that's my 32 counts. So let's do it from this walk. We shuffle up and shuffle back. So my weight is on the left. Shuffle up. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Back, right, left, right. Left, right, left. Rock, rock, slide. Left, right, slide. Cross mambo. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Rock up, rock back, kick, kick, step, turn. So let's do it from here again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it continues, moving counterclockwise. Okay, the name of this line dance is Remind Me. It's a 4-wall dance moving counterclockwise, okay? Make sure you check out the demo where we can dance together to the music. Instructors, make sure you send your student homework. This is a nice warm-up or cool-down that you can use, instructors, at the beginning, when your class starts at the beginning, or at the end for a nice cool-down. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. Also, check out the NOLA Southern Experience. I would love to see you there, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. Registration is open right now, and you can book your room at www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.